You ever turn on your VPN and immediately feel like an undercover agent? Relax, you're still extremely trackable. All right, let's talk about what's really going on. Here's something funny about humans. The moment we download a VPN app and the little toggle turns green, we suddenly feel invincible. Like, now nobody can see anything. Browsing at 2 a.m.? Safe. Watching a tutorial you're mildly embarrassed about? Double safe. Opening random links? Oh yeah, super safe. VPN has your back, right? This mindset is exactly where things get dangerous. And this is the first paradox. A tool designed to protect you can actually make you reckless because you think it's doing more than it really is. In about 30 seconds, I'll show you something surprising that can expose you, even if your VPN is on. But let's build up to that. Let's strip it back. A VPN basically hides your IP address and encrypts your connection so your internet provider can't see what websites you're visiting. Think of it like taking a taxi instead of walking. When you walk, people see your direction, your clothes, everything. When you take a taxi, all they see is you entering the car. They don't know where exactly you went. That's a VPN. Simple, helpful, clean. But here's where the truth part comes in. Most people think the taxi hides everything, when in reality, the taxi just hides the route. It doesn't disguise your face, your voice, none of that. Here's the part many VPN ads don't tell you. Hiding your IP address doesn't hide who you are, because the internet doesn't just recognize you by IP. It recognizes you by your login accounts, your cookies, your device fingerprint, the apps you use, the way your browser behaves, even your typing patterns in some cases. And we're not even at the scariest part yet. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you turn on your VPN and open YouTube. YouTube immediately goes, "Oh, hey, it's you. Welcome back." Because you're logged in. Your IP didn't matter. Google already knows you better than your family. This is why people say VPNs give privacy, but not anonymity. They protect the path, but not the passenger. Let's run through a few things people wrongly assume a VPN protects them from. Malware. A VPN won't stop a virus any more than wearing a raincoat will stop food poisoning. Phishing. If someone emails you pretending to be your bank and you click the link, the VPN isn't going to jump out and slap your hand like, "Stop that!" Scam sites. You can still land on malicious websites even with a VPN. The VPN doesn't know intentions. Apps that track you. Instagram, TikTok, Gmail, they still collect data, with or without VPN. They simply skip the IP and go straight for your behavior. This is the part where I don't want you to panic or delete your VPN app. VPNs are extremely useful for protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, stopping your internet provider from logging your browsing, preventing basic IP-level tracking, bypassing location restrictions, keeping you private from certain types of surveillance, hiding your location from apps that check IP only. But what they don't do is turn you into an anonymous ninja warrior. You're not invisible. You're just less exposed. Think of a VPN like a good lock on your door. It keeps random strangers out. But it won't stop someone who already knows where you live and has your name, your number, and your Instagram. A VPN should be one layer in your privacy strategy, not the entire strategy. Because the truth is this: a VPN hides your location, but your behavior, your habits, your logins, those give you away instantly. So yeah, keep your VPN, use it, but don't rely on it like some magical force field. Cybersecurity isn't about one app, it's about awareness. If you've ever felt extra safe just because your VPN toggle turned green, you're definitely not alone. We've all been there. But now you know the truth. Privacy doesn't come from one tool. It comes from the choices you make every day.